Do you have crowded teeth and are considering clear aligners as a treatment option? Well, before you go to your dentist, you need to watch this video. That way you can discover why not all dentists are offering clear aligners. So in this video, we will uncover the most common reasons why not all dentists offer clear aligners to their patients. And we're gonna go over why you need to be aware of these reasons before you make a decision on who you choose to get treatment by. First off, I am a dentist and I have done hundreds of clear aligner cases. I've taken countless hours of continuing education and I've learned from some of the best providers in the world. With this experience, I have found that there are several things patients should be aware of before they choose to begin clear aligner treatment. So before we dive into why not all dentists actually offer clear aligners, let's first review what the heck clear aligners are. So clear aligners are a set of custom-made trays that fit over your teeth and they gently apply pressure over time to move your teeth into a desired position. They're virtually invisible, they're comfortable to wear, and they're removable, which makes them a phenomenal alternative to traditional braces. Let's talk about some of the benefits of clear aligners. So aligners are going to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing than traditional braces because they're clear trays and they're not metal wires. I don't think I need to say much more than that, right? Train tracks on your teeth versus clear removable plastic. I don't know, just a thought. I'm kidding. For those of you that have to do metal braces, I feel for you, and honestly, you are probably doing it because it is the right treatment option for you. Your treatment will not last forever. You're going to get the results you want and you will have those metal braces off on your teeth in no time. Just trust the process. Okay, back to aligners. A couple other benefits that aligners have is they don't require frequent tightening or adjustment appointments. Aligners also allow you to continue to eat your favorite foods. There are no restrictions. Aligners are also great for oral hygiene while you're going through the procedure, right? Because you can take your trays out whenever you eat, then you can brush, floss, and then pop your trays back in. Your teeth are going to continue to move and you're taking care of the healthier teeth. This is a win-win. All right, let's get into the part where not all dentists are trained to do aligners. Yeah, newsflash, not everybody actually knows how to do it. So there's a few reasons why not all general dentists offer this procedure. For one, not all dentists are just trained in it. So if they're not trained in the procedure, they're not going to be confident in offering it. So as a patient, you may never hear about it. Clear aligners require specialized training that we don't receive in dental school. Dentists have to go out and get this training themselves. Some of the things that they have to learn is how aligners work, how they're designed, how to set up the cases, what are predictable movements, and how to monitor the treatment. So if they don't get this training, like I said, they're not going to be confident to offer because your dentist actually cares about you and they don't want to cause harm. They also may be concerned about some of the risks and the limitations of clear aligner treatment, and they may not know how to manage these complications. So for all these reasons, it's super important that you as a patient go out and find a provider who offers it and offers it with confidence. This is going to help you get safe, effective treatment, and you're going to save a lot of time and money by doing it this way. For all you dentists who are watching this video, if you want some basic training, I have a free masterclass. Check out the link in the description below. I walk you through the strategy behind what you need to know to start 3 more cases tomorrow and have confidence doing so. All right, let's get back to the part of why dentists don't offer this procedure. So honestly, a lot of dentists may not just have the equipment to offer this procedure. To get effective aligner treatment, it's best if the dentist has a scanner. This is going to require a heavy investment on their part. Have you ever seen that scanner? It kind of like rolls around the office. It's got a screen and then there's like a wand and they put it in your mouth and it takes a bunch of pictures and then all of a sudden your mouth's on the screen. That's what I'm talking about. That thing's also like $30,000, but it's an investment for the dentist nonetheless. My thing is if dentists are investing in technology, they're going to reap the rewards on the back end. Spoiler alert, a lot of dentists are stuck in their old ways. So keep an eye out the next time you go to your dental office and see if they are up to date with technology or if they're living in the Stone Ages. A simple way to tell this is to see, are your x-rays digital on a screen? Are you still filling out paper forms at the front desk? Are they taking gooey impressions instead of using a digital scanner? It's 2023. There's no reason why you shouldn't be receiving high-level dental care. It's out there. You just need to find it. Another reason why having a dentist who actually cares about technology is because, let's be real, the patient experience is the most important thing. For example, if your dentist is still taking old school impressions and not using a scanner, sometimes the records won't be as accurate, but also you'll be gagging in the chair on that impression material when you could easily just have a bunch of pictures taken of your mouth and be done in less than 2 minutes. Which one sounds better for you? Finally, clear aligners just may not be an option for you as a patient. Clear aligners are a tool used to move teeth. Simply put, there may be other more effective tools out there that can move your teeth better than aligners, which is why your dentist hasn't offered you aligners. Some patients need more extensive orthodontic treatment like metal brackets and wires, and that's okay. Don't get me wrong, aligners can treat a variety of cases, but it all depends on the dentist training on the back end to ensure predictable results. And I'm speaking from experience because I don't offer aligners to all my patients. I talk about the importance of oral health and tooth alignment, but I only take on a certain number of cases because I want to make sure that I'm giving my patients the best care possible. And I refer everything outside outside of my scope to the orthodontist. That way my patient can get the best care possible. So if you're interested in getting clear aligners for, let's say, your crowded teeth, it's important to find the right dentist. Look for a dentist who has experience with clear aligners and is certified in using them. Additionally, you're allowed to ask them, what specific training have you received to offer this procedure? You are allowed to be nosy when it comes to your teeth. This is not insulting at all. It actually shows that you take your oral health very seriously. And if a dentist is offering you a treatment option, they should have no problem telling you all the things that they've done to learn about this procedure. A lot of dentists get really nerdy and really excited to talk about how much they know. It's just like a thing that they do. So if your dentist hasn't taken any additional training and it's something that they're interested in, go ahead and share this video with them. I've created a program to help dentists learn how to do this procedure, and I would love to help them. Speaking of education, if your dentist says that they only took the training that their aligner company offered, that's usually not enough. This training does not really go that in depth to the procedure, and it leaves a lot of dentists unsure of how to predictably offer this treatment. I know this because I actually polled a bunch of dentists on my Instagram page, and these were the results. Another question you can ask is you can ask your dentist if they have the necessary equipment to be successful with this procedure. Things like a 3D scanner. If they don't have it and they do offer aligners, be ready to take a bunch of gooey impressions. To wrap it up, aligners are an excellent option for crowded teeth in most straightforward cases. If a case is a little bit more complex, you definitely want to talk to an orthodontist about how to best proceed with treatment. Don't blindly trust the dentist that you currently see who offers this procedure, because they may not actually have the education necessary to give you the results that you want. Prioritize your oral health, be nosy, and ask the right questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Don't forget to drill that like and subscribe button. Thanks.